Welcome back to this video. In today's Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, I'm going to show you on how to make payment to multiple goods without any stress. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to click on here to open my Pinduoduo shopping app. Having opened up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you need to do is to make sure you add all the products to cart. If you don't know how to add product to cart from different supplier, you can check the video out on my channel, because I'm going to make this tutorial very short and straight to the top. I'm going to make this tutorial short and straight to the point. Now, for you to pay for multiple goods, what you need to do is to click on here after you have successfully add all the product to cart. Then it's going to take you to your profile right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here to open up your cart. Just like so. So we have all the products right here. You can see them right here. So what we want to do here is to select them one after the other. I'm paying for this, and I'm paying for this. Then I'll scroll down. I'm paying for this. 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 And I'm paying for this. The next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to checkout. So just like what you see right here, these are all the products I'm paying for right here. So you can scroll down and check on everything. Once you are sure of everything right here, next thing you need to do is to proceed with payment. Right here, I'm paying with my... So for the payment section, there is WeChat Pay, Pay for Me, FriendPay, and Alipay. In this tutorial, I'm going to pay with my Alipay. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on confirm right here. Then enter my payment password. Now payment done, successful. Next thing I'm going to do right here is to screenshot of this particular payment, because I'm paying for someone. So I'm going to screenshot it. Just like so. And I have to go ahead and send the proof of payment to the person that asked me to pay for them on my WhatsApp right here. So right here, I'm going to click on here, then upload the proof of payment. Paid. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and check all the products in my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to exit from here now. Then I'll click on my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app again. Then next thing I'm going to do here is to click on done right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to close this pump up. Then I have to go to my profile. By the time I refresh my profile, all the products I just paid for is going to be found right here. So let's check them out. So you can see them all right here. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to import from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier either on Pinduoduo or 1688, Taobao, AliExpress, or Alibaba, or any Chinese e-commerce app or website, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.